we getting it in. Got another dinosaur toy to review. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to the Dinosaur channel. This is your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. As well, you can become a member on this channel, join, and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. And today, we're going to be talking about the Release N Rampage Pack from Jurassic World Dominion, Mattel's line. I want to remind you guys to subscribe and turn those notifications so you don't miss a single video here on the Dinosaur channel, because we're covering everything that has to do with Jurassic World Dominion, Jurassic World, the franchise as a whole. Let's pop right into this review and unboxing of the Release N Rampage Pack. Interesting thing about this guy is that there's two actually very interesting things in here. As of when I'm recording this, and I don't know when this is going to come out, I might try to release this around the same time that I release my Atrociraptor episode. This is a scene that we are also potentially seeing in the trailer already. So, trailer 2 has just recently come out for Jurassic World Dominion, and within that trailer, we see a scene. Why am I so terrible at opening these boxes all the time? I'm terrible at it. Anyways, I'm probably not going to keep this thing boxed anyways. So, as you can see, well, I should talk about the packaging. I'm so bad at doing toy reviews, aren't I? This is the packaging. We've got the beautiful Jurassic World Dominion logo on the outside. We've got Mrs. Soyona Santos, who is probably going to be a big part in the movie, especially in the part that takes place in Malta. And we've got the Release N Rampage Atrociraptor, who is coming out of a little portable pod. And this is Atrociraptor Ghost, I believe, from the new Atrociraptor Raptor Pack. Now, here's the deal. I also want to remind you guys that we are probably going to do a dinosaur quick dive around the same time that this is released, giving you information about the Atrociraptor. So if you want to learn more about that dinosaur, make sure you check it out. But oh my god, they made this box so hard to open. There's like glue everywhere. Here's what the, oh, toss that away. Here's what the opening of the package looks like. We'll take all this little fun stuff out. Bam! Skazlam! That releases us Atrociraptor Ghost and his little housing. We've got a fun little cellar door that comes with it, and we've got Mr. or Mrs. sorry, Soyona Santos in her little white trench coat. We've got a little electrical prod, it looks like. A little flexible electrical prod and binoculars? A taser? I don't really know. Maybe tasing dinosaurs up in this movie, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the background, which is Malta. Out of here. So, let's talk about the most important part of this, the dinosaur, because that's what we like to focus on this channel, is dinosaurs. Not so much boxes, and not so much Soyona Santos. Atrociraptor Ghost. I have to say something. I have to take back some words. I've been giving these raptors a lot of shit since the trailers dropped down. I wasn't really interested in them, but honestly, the more I look at them, the more I get interested. I like the idea of raptors becoming scary again, and I do actually like the model. I didn't like it in the beginning, but it's grown on me immensely in the last few months since the movie trailers have come out. Especially seeing them as a raptor pack and the promotional images that have come out for Dominion showing the 4 of these guys together. I'm into it. I dig it. I like the Atrociraptor. I'm on board. I don't know if I necessarily think Ghost is my favorite because it just looks so crazy, the white color scheme with the red eyes. I mean, it looks like Jurassic Park 3 Velociraptor, but it is cool nonetheless. Beautiful design. Like, Mattel just kills it with these animals. They're so good at it. I do like this, like, box-headed Atrociraptor. It's a very cool looking animal. Like this, just having this, like, flat nose. Yeah, so anyways, the toy, it's got a beautiful color scheme. It's like sort of this gray, almost, if you've ever seen those Hershey's cookies and cream bar, that's kind of what the texture and the color of the skin looks like. It's got this sort of mocha brown coloring on it. Does it stand? I could see already it looks like it's gonna have some trouble standing. These feet don't look very... Why do they make toys like this? I don't understand. Why do they do it like this? Yeah, this, I don't think mine is ever gonna be able to stand. Immediately I saw this thing. I mean, those legs are pretty flexible, but I don't know how this could ever realistically stand. Maybe it's not meant to stand. Maybe it's just supposed to be in this box eternally. But she is not going to be standing on her own. No way, no how. So either my Atrociraptor is broken or Mattel keeps screwing me over with dinosaurs they can't stand. Alright, that's kind of standing. Struggling, but it's doing it. Oh, that's because it's being held up right now. It's cool. You got some articulation in the mouth. You can open that mouth up very wide. You can tilt the head up, down, left, right, and completely backwards if you dig that type of stuff. So you can do cool little poses like this, give you a little reminder of Jurassic Park 3 vibes. I like it. Those arms articulate up and down, very long arms too. I feel like longer than our raptors. And yeah, nonetheless, very, very cool Dinosaur. So next up, let's talk about this little capture box. So you can take this, you slide the door right on, yay. Just like that. Oh, didn't do that right, did I? Oh, let's try that again now. Slide that door on, just like, yay. All right, well, I'm an idiot. Why can't I figure these things out ever? Did it, got it, did it. So there you go, there's your capture box. It's cool, you got a slit there in the front window and slit in the back, also another little window. It's cool because if you stick them in, Atrociraptor Ghost here, you can kind of like stick his head out through the back here. Really make him look miserable. Like, poor little thing is being shipped in a box. But I mean, probably, realistically, is probably in the movie not where the head is probably going to go. The head is most likely going to be going through the front here, which is the door. So we'll probably take this out, move this out like this, because there's a scene in the trailer here where, in trailer 2, where you actually see, oop, I popped it. Oh, are those scratches on the door? That's pretty cool. They actually they like modeled some scratches into the door itself. That's really nice, actually. That's very cool. That's a nice little level of detail. So yeah, the tail should actually potentially, I think, go out of the back here. And this guy can just pop in like that. Yeah, there we go. That's probably the correct way of doing things, unless I'm still not doing it right. I think I'm still not doing it right. Maybe I need to put it on this hinge. That's it. Got it now. So yeah, you can kind of see Velociraptor Ghost, or Atrociraptor Ghost in there, the head, and then you pop this thing open, it's on a hatch, and vrow, it can come right out and attack your human figures. Pretty cool, I gotta say. I love it. I'm digging it. I'm digging this capture box. Like, I'm not a huge fan of it, but like, it is what it is. It's got a bunch of little electronic things on the outside, but what's the coolest is it's got a bunch of scratches. I like that they modeled those scratches in, and I guess if you got a few of these, you could stack them on top of each other. It'd be kind of cool. It would be cool if they definitely came out with some sort of vehicle where you can transport your Atrociraptors around, or your dinosaurs around in general. But there you go. There's Atrociraptor Ghost and his capture box, or her capture box. I don't know how, if we're still going on the whole dinosaurs are female thing now. Next up, we've got Soyona Santos. So, we don't know anything about this lady other than the actress, which is a very beautiful lady. I looked her up. She's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm very excited to see her in this movie and see what kind of character she takes upon. It looks like she's got a villain vibe, but I don't know. I'm not 100% digging the whole like post-apocalyptic trench coat thing. I just like Chris Pratt's got a trench coat in the trailer. There's this other guy named Michael or Barry. Not Barry. Barry's awesome. There's some other character who's got a trench coat, and then she's also got this sort of like, it's not a trench coat, but like very comically evil villain thing going on, and I'm not a huge fan of it because I want that element of realism in Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, but it is what it is. I'm not going to complain too much because I'm excited to see the movie anyways. So she's got this little electric prod thing. It's cool, it's flexible, it fits right into her arm, like she's going to shock our friendly Atrociraptor friend. I don't like it, I'm not a big fan of shocking dinosaurs. She's got this little taser piece, which again, as a children's toy, Mattel, very strange choice to be providing so many little objects that children, I mean, I don't think anyone's going to realistically choke on these because it's so small, but it is weird to be adding so many little small pieces. It does seem to be that they're really thinking about the collectors in this, which is awesome. Like, very, very cool of Mattel to be doing that. So for people who really want to recreate the scenes in the movie, there you go. Atrociraptor Ghost, Soyona Santos, we got them together. We've got the capture box. We are all happy and dandy. Jurassic World Dominion is coming to get you. Come on, Sono, you gotta stand up. You gotta stand up and shock your Atrociraptor boy. There you go. There's the whole set. How cool is that, guys? We got Atrociraptor, we got Soyona Santos, and I forgot to mention the last most important thing, which I always seem to mess up, is the DNA tag that comes on all these wonderful Mattel Jurassic World Dominion toys. There we go. And I somehow never am able to open it up on the right side. I always do it on the wrong side. But there you go. There's your DNA tag if you want to scan this into the app. Atrociraptor Ghost. Love it. Guys, I'm really into the Atrociraptors now. I hated on them in the beginning, but I'm digging it, and I'm excited to see what else comes out for them. That's all for this Release N Rampage Pack from Mattel, Jurassic World Dominion style, baby. We getting it in. So make sure you guys subscribe and turn on those notifications and miss a single video that we make here on the Dinosaur channel, because we are covering everything that has to do with Jurassic World Dominion and the Jurassic Park and Jurassic World franchise as a whole. So don't miss a single video we produce. As well, you can become a member on this channel, join, and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.